Hello ka-Aksaya, kung hinahanap mo ang competition ni Adelpha, yung bungalow single attached ng Tanawan Park Place Phase 4, eto yon. So again, Adelpha is a bungalow single attached with lot area of 117 square meters, a floor area of 38 square meters. Ang total contract price is 2,515,000. Loan value under Pag-ibig is 2,215,000. Reservation, 7,500 only. Ang net cash outlay is aabuti ng 294,500. Yan yung equity. So, ang payable siya in 27 months. Ang isang buwan ay umaabot lamang ng 10,833.33. Okay po, pre-selling po yan pag ganyan kahaba ang